Hey YouTube, it's your girl Alicia B, and I'm back again today with another hair video. Obviously I'm Alicia B because I just said that, but girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell below so you can see when I post more stuff. And let's get into this little headband wig because that's what I got today. So let's show y'all this headband wig. So y'all know I like to show y'all these little cute wigs in general. I just like to show y'all affordable wigs, easy to style wigs, because you know people don't always frontal shit. It's like, you know, cool or whatever, but you know, it's got time. And then I don't have time. Y'all working, you go to school, so you don't have to do all that. The headband wigs are really the way for 2021. Headband wigs, U-part wigs, synthetic wigs, kind of. I see where y'all coming with the headband wigs. I see where y'all going. So today's wig is from WOWIGS, WOWIGS Hair, and it's actually really cute packaging. I'm surprised because sometimes, you know, these places send wigs and they just send it in like the plastic bag. But inside the box, it does come with a dust bag, which I really appreciate, because when you done with the wig, you can put it back in there and save it for next time. This is the wig. It is a beautiful color. I don't even remember that I picked this color, which doesn't match my hair at all. But it is like a brown auburn type of I don't even say it's 99J. It's just like a brown reddish color. I don't even know what to call it. It's your typical headband on the top, 2 combs on the top, 1 comb on the bottom, Velcro strap, as we know most of these come with. And I did get a curly texture because I don't think I have any curly headband wigs. Yes, I do. I have one curly hairband wig. I'll link it above if you want to see that one. That one is black and much longer. This one is a way more natural length. So yeah, 16 inch. It does have a tag, that's why I know that. It's 16 inches. I'm gonna take this off though. What else in here? Couple headbands. They gave me 2 headbands. These are really Valentine's Day-esque. Valentine's Day already passed. But it's a red floral, and this one has flamingos on it, real summer vibes. I'm gonna save these for the summertime. And a cute edge brush, which I wish I had opened this up before I did my edges, because I could have used this. But you know, whatever. This ain't even, what is this? Oh, it's like a scalpel. Girl, I'm messing my edges trying to mess with this thing. So let's try this wig on. I'm really trying to see how this color gonna turn out. I'm trying to figure out if I want to wet it or not, but I kind of don't want to wet it because I really like to show y'all how it is right out the box, and then obviously you can manipulate it the way you want it to, but I want to show it to y'all how they give it to me, like, because once I manipulate it, it's like different than what you'll get. So yeah, let's put this wig on and see is it hidden or if it ain't. Giving real, like, I don't know what vibes it's giving. I don't like the way the ends look. I don't know. Should I wet it? I feel like I have to, so I can kind of have some type of style. Cause this, you know, it really ain't hidden. It's literally not hidden on nothing. It's not hidden. It's not giving me anything I asked for. So I'm about to go get my spray bottle. We're gonna spray this down, try to get some curls popping. I don't like the way these ends look. I don't like the way, I just don't like what it's doing right now. So let me go get my spray bottle. So instead of wetting it all the way, I'm just gonna take this Tropical Roots foam, which is for this purpose, and put it on there and just comb out some of the ends, because I don't want to make it really wet. I just want some curls back. That's all, honey. Okay, now I will say this hair is really nice quality. Like, it's not tangling. You know, normally when you try to like detangle curly hair, it's just a hot mess. But this one is really effortless. Like, I'm putting product in and it's gliding straight through. And it might just be because it's not long. Ryan Little. Okay, so this is how it looks after I put the mousse in it. I am gonna let it dry for like 10 minutes and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it's looking like after that. I do think I'm gonna like it a little better though now that I wet it down some. So I'm gonna come back in a while and show y'all. Okay, so I put the headband on with it, the one that's red with like the floral print. It kind of looks my shirt because it got a little floral, I mean it got a little blue in it, but not really a lot. So the ends of my hair still came out the same way. So this is just the curl pattern of this wig. It's a more tight, like jerry curl type of curl. Not my favorite, but you know, some people like it. Let me see if I can try to put like 2 little buns at the top or something, because it's just kind of blah. Like I don't want it to be cute. Okay, the 2 little buns are semi-cute though. I'm giving myself that. The 2 little buns are kind of cute. A little, what y'all think? You know what? What might be a cute idea for this hair is maybe you could like flexi rod it. Like that might be cute on this hair. It'll draw it up and it'll be a lot shorter. But you know, maybe you could flexi rod it. Excuse me. Maybe you could flexi ride it. I feel like that might be a good one. Just give it some kind of curl more than what it actually has. It's just these little, I call them string bean curls or like rainbow noodle curls. They're just not really my favorite type of curls to have. It's not my favorite type of curly hair to have, but like I said, some people like it and some people don't. It is short, so it's a more natural length, but yeah. This wig is pretty self-explanatory, super easy, super fast. It's literally a put on and go, which I feel like all headband wigs are like put on and go. So really the headband wig thing is really for convenience, and if you into this type of curl, perfect. I would say the color, killing me. The color is everything. The curl, I mean the actual quality of the hair, A1. The curl pattern, not my fave. But everything else, I like it, girl, I like it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know y'all told you at the beginning. So if you're here at the end and you didn't subscribe when I told you to, girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, girl. Go ahead and click that button down below, and I will see y'all in the